Now, I believe you have issue just like me a couple months ago, 3 chirps constantly and drive you crazy, correct? 3 beep sounds. And it's different than 2 chirps, 2 beeps. And typically that is cured by replacing the battery. So which is easy. But the 3 chirps is different. It's more serious issue. So then you more likely found this good reference video just like I did on YouTube. And actually it will most likely cure most of cases because of a very short time of this reference video, although this is a really good quality video, and he misses some of a detailed explanation, although he's a super good expert obviously. So that's something I can provide some help for your situation, and hopefully my video will cure your issue. So as I said, he in his next frame trying to power off that segment that where the smoke detector connected to the ceiling, because there's 2 power supply. One is a battery. The secondly, I will show you. This is from the ceiling, and then it's connected from your ceiling, and there's a secondary power line. It's most of cases. That's why you can hear the noises, even battery moved. So before that, he trying to the sub panel electrical, right? His example is power off, the switch off, power shut down. That particular area is a master bedroom. But if you cannot find or locate your where your smoke detector located, that's fine. I tried, I couldn't find location, especially your smoke detector located in alley area, not in the room. You may not find a matching. This is a safe measurement. This is a recommendation actually, but if you don't know how to do it, that's fine, because it's actually doesn't really harmful to the human. I tried like 5 different times, and it's still doable. I mean, based on my own experiment. Of course, you can locate the exact spot, okay, a bedroom or whatever the location where your smoke detector located. Please go ahead and do it, okay? But anyway, so he, in this reference video, he switched it off and detach, actually using the flat screwdriver. But when you're using a ladder, go up and take this disconnect cable. That's somewhat sounds easy, but actually doing so, it's not that, kind of tricky. What I tried and many different times, either flat screw like the driver like this, or just your thumb and index finger. Actually, you can disconnect easily. Just perpendicular direction. I'm showing this my finger. This is my finger actually, so you can see. Yeah, a little bit hold tight and perpendicular motion, right? And pull off. Yeah, because there's no mechanically holding part. So only 3 pins engaging, so actually easy. All right, then this is a moment that you hear nothing, no noise. The 3 chirps will stop immediately. So that, but okay, you can stop here. If you first purpose of stop the noise, congratulations. But this is a detector, so you want to replace it, functional one, right? So how to do it? This is reference video show you. Surprisingly, you can see the dust piled up inside of the housing, and then he show you how to do it. In order to do it completely, and best scenario is disassemble the housing, the top and bottom portion, the plate. And before that, please jot it down your manufacturing date and then model number. before, because you may need it later in this video. I'm gonna explain. All right. So, but thing is, this reference video, yeah, explain, yeah, how to assemble, disassemble. Here somewhere. Yeah, here. Very few short time of disassemble, so you may not easily disassemble the top and bottom plate. So here comes my video. You can disengage this cable. All right. Battery and keep loading. So, but you need a flat driver. So, all right. Here, once you detach this. There's a plate. 3 taps. Okay, the 3 taps is holding. So you have to bonding together. You can see here. Insert the tip, right? 2. Like looks like 11. And this is my video, all right? So 3. Right here. Yes, you see like a the reference video 11 shape. Detail. If you the tip inserted fully deep inside. Flat driver head and push like diagonally, like toward your. Yeah, handle towards you, right? Handle towards you, right? Like a leverage. Let me show you. So a little bit of force. Yeah, like that. Yeah, it will popping up. So his reference video didn't show that detail. Very short time period. So you may not succeed to disassemble this unit, but yeah. So my video show a little bit detail. Yeah. Maybe 1 or 2 times fail, but yeah. See. Yeah. See this is mechanical. Yeah. This is a 3 leg. Yeah, actually holding the part. All right. So this is how you disengage. And then he explained how to blow dust out with the can air or dust blower, and which is the best scenario. But how many people having that at your home ready to use? And not me. So I was like dumbfounded what to do. And I figure out you can Google search and ask an expert. Actually, the 3 different way: a blow gun, you can use it, dust blower, and vacuum cleaner. A little bit lower power, and then you can use it as a substitute the device. And that's way that's the first troubleshoot he recommended. And then other 3, as I said, blow gun, dust blower, the vacuum cleaner. But don't use a hair dryer, because the hot air may ruin the part. And that's something I got information from the website. Later I'm gonna explain. And vacuum cleaner thing is also I heard from the tech support later of this device. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. And yeah, so then pretty much you can test it out, reconnect the wire to the ceiling, and then put it back to battery as is recommended, and then you can testify. But here's the thing: if still you hear 3 chirps constantly, even that the cleaning out session done completed, it means something different issue, right? So most likely you have to replace the whole unit. So number 1, you have to buy new one. Yeah, that's easy. But the warranty, in this video he said certain model, example, his model is like smoke detector and carbon monoxide is a dual function, right? And then this is a premium, actually it costs more. In that case he mentioned about 7-year warranty, probably right. But you know what, good news is I contact the manufacturer, all right, and they ask all the device manufacturing date and model number, and my unit was a little bit over 8 years and 9 years, but less than 10 years. You know what, the conclusion, actually I got free unit shipped from the manufacturer. Only I paid shipping cost. Shipping cost, I forgot, like $6 something. I forgot. So as long as you agreed paying for the shipping cost, and of course they check the manufacturing date. But here's the deal: they're not just blindly sending the new unit, even your within 10-year mark, most likely. And they're gonna go over the troubleshooting. So have you done replacing battery? Have you cleaned the dust out? And that kind of thing. So that is what they expected you to do it before. Make sure this is a unit fail issue, and make sure it's a warranty part issue, that kind of stuff, right? So I did it luckily, so that's why they agreed, as long as I paid the shipping cost. So I got my unit replaced with the new unit received through my mail, like a week later, something like that. Yeah, it's not really long waiting, luckily. So I replaced it completely. So it was so much more than what I expected, and I'm kind of sharing. So I'm going to share the company information, this first alert if you have this model, and the contact information, tech support information here, the model information, everything about the company. I'm gonna put it down. You can contact their phone number and get help. And worst case scenario, if they say, oh, your warranty turn out of warranty situation, you may get some help of you can ask some questions about cleaning part, something I did, luckily. And as I said, other than dust blower, what method I can clean the units, what's the best cycle, how many, how often should I clean, that kind of information. You can ask the questions, and they provide all kind of tips and Q&As, everything you need. So like I said, if that come to all the troubleshooting from the reference video or my video explained so far, you followed, still could not cure the issue, and last stage, don't hesitate to contact tech support of this manufacturer. You may get free parts, surprisingly, as a warranty service. All right, that's my advice, and thanks for watching. Don't forget and like my video and leave your comments. And yeah, so like I said, and please leave your comments below, and leave all my information, what I said, or the links in the description page, and let me know how solve your issue with my video and the reference video whatsoever. Thank you for watching.